I can see all the colors today. This is one of my favorite places in the whole state. We've got blue sky, jagged, rugged, dramatic mountains. We've got this big hump of sand back here. Hello friends, Juliana Broste here, Traveling Jules. Welcome to the Great Sand Dunes National Park here in colorful Colorado. Okay, so we're just crossing the Medano Creek, a very elusive river. Not all times a year is there water here. In the spring, when the snow is melting, we get a little bit of water and it's nice and cool on your feet. Ah, it's so beautiful here. And so we got a little bit of a flat before we start the big hike. There are a little bit of rocks down here. Whew. And now, straight up. It's so cool to see these ginormous mountains of sand. They just have such beautiful shape and curves and shadows. I love how all the people are so tiny, but you can hear them celebrating. They're having a lot of fun. Okay, I'm caving in. My feet are burning. This sand is so hot. So I thought it might be easier to hike in shoes. We'll see. Okay, this section's pretty steep. We're burning some calories now. This is a lot of fun people watching. It's kind of like Where's Waldo, like all these people doing their own thing. More steepness. These sand dunes look like waves. They look really cool. And then over here, they're like little ripples. Thanks to Mother Nature, wind is kind of blowing the sand in different directions. Here's the last hill. Looks like a big one. So I've never been to the top. Would be kind of fun to climb it, right? You see those people? That's where we're going. What a hustle, my legs. I'm feeling it. Very steep. That was like crazy. So I've made it. I made it to the top of the mountain. It looks amazing from here. It's fun to see the dunes from all different points of view. But only one thing. Yeah, just when you thought you're at the top, there's more. And more. It just keeps going. These sand dunes just go on forever and ever. What a beautiful day. What a great athletic activity. Now, where's that sandboard? I was gonna ride all the way back home, right? It's all downhill from here. Whew. This is how we know we're done. Crazy.